Yes, that is joining us in Center. For your own safety. Thank you very much. Alright, so everyone, look, the very first species of penguins that we're seeing right now, those are the Humboldt penguins. Humboldt penguins can be found along the South American coastline in Peru, Chile, and Argentina. Penguins that sometimes can be as far as Singapore. But of course, Humboldt penguins, they love cold water too. In fact, they are named after the Humboldt earth that brings in the cold water from Antarctica to the coastal regions of South America. Now, Humboldt penguins are the most endangered of all the penguin species. Only about 12,000 Humboldt penguins exist in the wild. And here in the big park, they've been quite successful in breeding these penguins. So more than half of this Humboldt